Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity.
Testing Double Jump by Knights of Exile. Crazy how 1 year of progress can show such good results by Alex. Created my dream fantasy MMORPG world in Unity by Square Location. Implemented a forest shield shader by Mr. Piffo. Finally released by Legacy of Sin.
What sins have we committed to deserve such punishment?
Testing docking for the fighters with the Destroyer-class ship by Adam. Extraterrestrial Alien I'm Not Jelly is live on Kickstarter by One Simple Game. A sneak peek through the city of Brengaf by Eternal Seas. Crows aren't the only things that berry farmers need to worry about by Half Past Yellow. Demo is live on Steam by Hyper5. The link is below. I Like Rainy Days by Six Thorns. Working on multiplayer improvements by Race League. Core Combat Reps In by Kyle. Should I add a Squid Game mode? Probably not. By Sergio. What Lies Beyond the Darkness by Grim Tales. Agent Boogleman scores multiple melee takedowns and secures the intel by Superboss Games.
What was the sniper code?
Well, whoever did is a fucking hero.
I was looking off the bridge now, by the way.
Oh, get off the fucking bridge now?
I accept my death. My ancestors just smiled upon me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
Oh yeah, it's all coming together now by Karat Guru.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.